Greetings. I am Professor Nandagopal Sahu, Faculty of Chemistry, Kumar University, Nainital, Uttarakhand. I was born in a poor family in Paschim Midnapur, West Bengal. I was not at all a studious child in my school days. In fact, I was more of a naughty student who escaped studies whenever I got a chance, sneaking out to watch movies whenever I got a chance, even at late night. My only dream at this point was to become a school teacher and settle, unaware of what was to happen in the future. After school, I did my BSc and MSc from Vidyasagar University, West Bengal. Further, I did my PhD from IIT Kharagpur. My journey took a massive turn when I first left India to go to Canada in 2004. After pursuing my PhD degree, I worked in several countries with eminent scientists and gained expertise and scientific orientation in several streams. I held the scientist position in the Institute of Materials and Engineering, Aster, Singapore from 2012 to 2013. Prior to this, I was attached as a scientist with the Energy Research Institute at Nanyang Technological University 2011 to 2012. In 2008, I received a prestigious Lee Kuan Yew Fellowship in Singapore, and prior to this Lee Kuan Yew Fellowship, I had the opportunity to work as a research fellow in the Department of Chemical Engineering and the Konkuk University, South Korea. After working for several years with different eminent groups, I joined the Department of Chemistry, Kumar University, Nainital as an associate professor in 2013. I was promoted to full professor in 2016. I started my work here in Kumar University from ground zero. At that time, there is no facilities to do my work. So I worked actually for the establishment of Nanoscience and Nanotechnology Center at the university, and I am among the few base fellows sponsored by the Indo-US Science and Technology Forum for advancing our research in the field of solar cell development in Virginia Commonwealth University, USA 2014. I have received the 8th National Award for the Technology Innovation from the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers, Government of India 2018. I have also received the prestigious Uttarakhand Governor Award for Best Research in 2017 and Uttarakhand Ratan Award 2019. I also worked as a visiting scientist at the Free University of Berlin, Germany, and Konkuk University, Seoul, South Korea. As per my career and research achievements to date, I have published about 105 international journal papers, 10 patents, and presented 86 papers in the international and national conferences. And my total citations, according to Google Scholar, 8,200, and my age index is 37. Nowadays, waste plastic is a global problem. So waste plastic management and converting into value-added products is one of the greatest challenges before the scientific community. Thus, requiring urgent strategies for plastics solid waste management with the potential to convert the waste to wealth. I'm very happy to let you know that after 3 years of persistent efforts, we are dedicating our innovations Swambhu Waste Recycling Machine 2021. We innovated this machine which can convert waste plastics to fuel and wonder materials graphene simultaneously for the first times. We are getting near about 15 to 20% of graphene and 30 to 35% of crude oil using this machine. This kind of upcycling of waste plastics to graphene and its other byproducts not only gives it a more economic value, but it also helps every citizen of India to enjoy its charming properties. Thus, the overall project seems to be a cost-effective and greener technique for sustainable and environmentally friendly waste management to enhance the revolution of clean and green India.